Alright, hey, Steve McCaffrey here with another message, an entrepreneurial message. Alright, I'm here at GoPro 2022. The training is amazing, and something to share is that, you know, in life things start with a decision, whether they're for business, personal, whatever. And that decision, the next step is action. It's doing something about it, whether it's playing on a soccer team or practicing extra. And then the third thing is accountability to yourself, or have someone else help you with accountability. Great messaging from this GoPro. More to share. Okay, just take a look around the room. I mean, these are some of the top people in the industry. And this is an amazing studio that's broadcasting to 20,000 people around the world. So, talk soon.